What if your bank account vanished tomorrow? Would a single unexpected bill send your entire life into a tailspin? That feeling of financial fragility is a silent epidemic, and today we're building your vaccine. Welcome to Winds of Thought. A recent study dropped a bombshell. The majority of adults are one modest crisis away from serious debt. This isn't just a statistic, it's a systemic failure. Our schools often skip the money talk, and many families treat finances like a forbidden subject. That ends now. We're breaking the cycle. I'm going to walk you through the exact financial architecture the wealthiest use. Not to gatekeep, but to blueprint. Stick with me, and that anxiety about a random expense will become a relic of your past. First, and I cannot stress this enough, comes awareness. You must diagnose before you can treat. And the diagnostic tool is so simple, you'll be shocked you aren't already using it. Step 1 is radical financial transparency. For the next 2 months, you become a forensic accountant of your own life. Document every single dollar that comes in, and more importantly, every single dollar that goes out. No judgment, just observation. Use an app, a spreadsheet, a literal notebook. It doesn't matter. The act of witnessing is what matters. Most people float through life financially unconscious, just watching their balance dwindle until the next payday refills it. That is a recipe for staying stuck. By doing this, you will uncover your financial leaks. You'll see the subscriptions you forgot, the impulsive buys that add up, the spending that doesn't align with your true values. This audit alone can typically free up 10% or more of your income. It's your personalized financial X-ray. With that newfound cash flow, you build your financial airbag. The emergency reserve. Every person with lasting wealth has this buffer. The goal is to stockpile enough cash to cover 3 to 6 months of your essential living costs, the number you now know from your tracking. This fund is not for deals, upgrades, or wants. It is your sleep well at night fund. It means when your car breaks down or life throws a curveball, you don't spiral into high-interest debt. You handle it. Your emergency fund isn't money sitting idle. It's peace of mind on standby. This step can feel massive, but start small. Every dollar saved is a brick in your fortress. The psychological security it provides is immeasurable. Next, we collect what I call instant equity. If your job offers any kind of retirement match, like a 401k match, you must take it. This is the closest thing to free money you will ever find. It's a 100% return on your contribution, instantly. Passing this up is like refusing a raise. If you're self-employed, structures like a SEP IRA allow you to be your own benefactor. Do not leave this money on the table. Now, with your safety net growing and your future self getting funded, we tackle the anchor. High-interest debt. Anything with an interest rate north of, say, 5 to 6% is a drain on your future. Your mission is to eliminate it. You have 2 primary strategies: the avalanche and the snowball. The avalanche is mathematically superior. You attack the debt with the highest interest rate first, minimizing total interest paid. The snowball is psychologically powerful. You pay off the smallest balance first for a quick win, building momentum. Choose the method that will keep you committed. The goal is to get rid of this burden so your money can start working for you, not for your creditors. This next step is the ultimate leverage point. Investing in your greatest asset, you. If you've cut all you can and still feel stretched thin, the problem isn't your budgeting, it's your income ceiling. Use some of your focus and resources to acquire a high-value skill, explore a side hustle, or level up in your career. Your emergency fund gives you the stability to take calculated risks. Increasing your earning power is the fastest way to accelerate every other step on this list. Once you're cultivating a larger income stream, direct a portion to a Roth IRA. This is a powerhouse account where your money grows completely tax-free for the long term. Decades of compounded growth, untaxed, is a wealth-building cheat code. We'll have deeper dive videos on this, but for now, know it's a critical move. Finally, After all those foundational layers are set, you enter the wealth acceleration zone. This is where you explore taxable investment accounts, real estate, or business ventures. This step is about generating passive income and expanding your net worth exponentially. But notice the order. This is the capstone, not the foundation. True wealth isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a system that gets rich slowly, surely, and permanently. This entire process is a marathon, not a sprint. Start with step 1 today. Master it, then move to the next. The most prosperous people on earth follow this exact sequence: awareness, protection, leverage, growth, and acceleration. You have the map. The only thing left is to take the first step. If this video gave you that clarity, do me a huge favor. Smash the like button. It tells the algorithm that Winds of Thought is a channel worth sharing. Subscribe and hit the bell for more mind-shifting content. What's the one financial step you're committing to this week? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial freedom is a thought, followed by action. Away.